Well, it's that time of year again, and customers are hitting potholes, damaging rims, suspensions, and tires. How do you inspect for this? Well, we're going to find out next.
This video is sponsored by Nissan, innovation that excites. Visit partsadvantage.nissanusa.com for more information.
For the driver, nothing is worse than hitting a pothole or a curb or sliding into something, and then after that noticing something is not right with their vehicle. Maybe a vibration, it may be a pull. But you as a technician need to inspect these following areas to make sure there's no more damage on the vehicle and it's properly resolved. The first thing to check is the rim and tires. Look at the sidewall of the tire to make sure there's no impact breaks or damage. Next, look at the tread of the tire. Make sure there's no high spots, low spots, or shifted cords in the tire. Next, inspect the rim. Make sure that there's no cracking or damage or a dent inwards that can compromise the structure of the wheel. If the wheel needs to be replaced, make sure that that wheel matches the other ones on the vehicle. This includes the offset, the size, and also the bolt configuration. If you install a rim that is close enough, well, you could be causing issues with the alignment, scrub radius, and the overall design of the front suspension. The next thing to do after the rim and tire are removed from that corner of the vehicle, take a look at the suspension. Pay attention to the strut and the strut rod. In some cases, it can become bent in the impact. Also, look at ball joints and control arms. Compare it with the other side to make sure everything is the same. Our third step is the alignment of the vehicle. When it's on the alignment rack, make sure that everything is pointing straight. Also, look at the TPMS and make sure that the TPMS light is off, and then go for a test drive. Confirm that the repair cured the customer's complaint and there's no vibration, pulling, or other stuff going wrong with the vehicle. I'm Andrew Markel. Thank you very much.